Paying off accounts remain on your credit report for up to 10 years after the date of last activity. If the status of the account is reported by lender as paid as agreed, the account can stay on your credit report for up to 10 years from the date it was reported by the lender to the bureaus. The portion of your credit limits that you are currently using is a significant factor in credit scores. It is one reason your credit score could drop a little after you pay off a debt, particularly if you close the account. One big reason you should not pay a collection agency is because this not help improve your credit rating. The most likely scenario is that you pay a debt you owe. Then you have to wait 6 years for the information to be removed from your credit report.